Electrify your imagination with our DIY kits. Easy to build, kid-friendly, unlimited fun and handmade in India.
Welcome to Shogini Toys Ultimate Servo Motor Kit Project 7, which is a warning signal. Let's see how that works. Connect the red LED, taking the red LED that comes with the kit, red wire to the positive rail. Okay, red wire to the positive rail and the black wire to pin 23. Black wire to J23. Red wire to the positive and the black wire to J23. Then connect wires A18 to positive, A18 to positive, and J18 to I23, J18 to I23. Okay. Then A25 to negative, A25 to negative, and J25 to positive. Okay, so that is done. So this light can be on top of an ambulance or a light tower, and this can give you the warning signal. Perfect. Let's move on. Let's switch it off.
Build, learn, and create. Unleash your inner engineer with our DIY electronic kits.